This 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. S550 Sport 4MATIC Sport Package Premium Package Driver Assistance Package Rear Seating Package Remaster Premium Sound System Panoramic Sunroof 360 Camera View Navigation System Rear View Camera Heated Front Seat Cooled Front Seats Message Front Seat Shaded Rear Seat Cooled Rear Seats Power Rear Sunshade Power Rear Side Sunshades 4.7L Turbo V8 Engine 7-speed Automatic Transmission 4MATIC All-Wheel Drive System Keyless Entry Fog Lamps Power Trunk Opener Cruise Control Power Adjustable steering wheel Front parking sensors Rear parking sensors Power windows Power door locks Wood trim interior White exterior Berlin leather interior Floor mats Owner's manual 2 sets of keys owner. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2016 Megabytes S550 Sport 4MATIC is no exception. We visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.